which can't defend itself, can't develop itself. In this today world of war, global supply chain, and also geopolitical uncertainty, India's ambitious goal of becoming a developed country by 2047 hinges on one pillar, which is defense manufacturing domestically. Now let's see why the Hindu article, the editorial, focused on the defense part, because it addressed the core pain point, which is a decade of India's vulnerability on the defense part. Because uh, over this decade, India has a traditional practice of importing the defense equipments, which make it more vulnerable during crisis, and limitation of private partnership, and all the defense manufacturing or state dominant. So what is the consequence of it? Weak local defense innovations, and drain of economy, because we need to spend huge amount of money for the import of it. Then strategical vulnerability, that is the most important point. Now let's see the shift after the reform. So private participation was encouraged, lot of subsidiary and also support for local innovation and also startup support. Then corporatization of ordnance, factory boards, that is a major move. So what is the impact of it? The defense manufacturing in India start to increase. Now India exporting close to 80 plus countries. Earlier India was importing, then it became manufacturing. Now it's exporting to all other countries. Let's see it in the global perspective. Now India has a cost effective manufacturing of defense. India has the potential of technological growth, and India has the capability to become a strategical partnership to the global south. To be more particular, it can be for the Indian Ocean region. There are few challenges also is there. First is, for export the license need to be there, the delay in the export license, finance and certification issues are there, and few regulatory issues. So what is the way forward? Simplify the procedure, ensure policy continuity, then strengthen the cross testing of those items, and also global standard certification, streamline the certification process, encourage the long term procurement commitments. So we came to the conclusion. So for India, defense manufacturing, it's not anymore an option, it's indispensable for India's strategic and economy. Now let's see a sample Q&A for civil service aspirants. The rest can pass the video now. So for the aspirants, the prelims sample question is, which of the following reforms contributed to India's defense manufacturing growth? First, Corporation of Ordnance Factory Board, liberalized FDI norms in defense, expansion of Make in India or Make procedure. The answer is all the three, which reforms contribute to India's defense manufacturing growth. Now let's see a sample mains question. A strong defense industrial base is central for to both nation security and economical resilience. Discussed in the context of India. Few key answer points will be reduced import dependency, strategic autonomy, employment generation, and export-led growth, geopolitical leverage, and supply chain resilience. Let's see a second main sample question. Examine the challenges faced by India's defense manufacturing sector and suggest measures to overcome them. Few answer key points will be regulatory delays, single window clearance, financing constraints like export credit and guarantees, DRDO reforms to focus on R&D, testing delays, integrated testing infrastructure are needed. Thank you for watching. And I recommend aspirants to always rely on government UPSC sites and other minister sites for the data and resources. Thank you.